Oh man, I'm sick and tired of losing money in crypto, man. It's been like a month, 2 months. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. It's called copy trading. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is Bitcoin Benito, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So today we know that Bitcoin has been doing terrible for the past month. Crypto in general has been doing terrible for the past month. In fact, as you can see, in the 7 days, Bitcoin was down 13%, Ethereum down 15%, XRP down 17%, Solana down 20%. God damn. So everything's doing bad. Although today everything's kind of up a little bit, but in general, everything has been doing bad for the past week. And in fact, for the past couple of months, the past month, crypto has been doing absolutely terrible. And I'm going to show you how to fix that problem where you don't have to deal with that. For the past month, Bitcoin has just been in red the entire time. It's gone all the way down. Right now it's 84,000, but it went all the way down to 83,000 yesterday, 83,700. So it did absolutely terrible recently, but there's a way to make money through crypto called crypto trading. Now, with crypto trading, you go to certain websites such as 𝐕𝑡unics, which is a really good website that I've been to before, that I showed you guys before. You follow people that do really, really well, such as this guy right here, 𝐂𝐫𝐲𝐽, who has made 487% ROI in 7 days. You put in your money, let's say you put in $1,000 or $1,500 or $1,050 like I did, and you can make tons and tons of profit. If I put $1,050 into this, right into 𝐂𝐫𝐲𝐽, when he started 7 days ago, I would have had about $5,000 right now, which is absolutely insane. Now you may get 487% in 7 days, or let's try 30 days. That's more accurate. That's a better way to assess these people. Yeah, 𝐂𝐫𝐲𝐽, he did 230% in the last 30 days. You may be able to do that. I've gotten into Trader RM. That's actually one of the guys that I followed. You may be able to get that much, but more realistically, you'll be getting about 80 to 90% a month, every single month, just following these copy traders. Now, what these people do is that they're heavily invested into the crypto market. They're experts. They make tons and tons of profits, but some of them don't make tons of profits, okay? Some of them make crap profits. Let's go to a guy at the end of the list. Yeah, some of them has lost 100% of his net worth. Let's go to someone that's like, there's a lot of people that have made 100%. The idea is to find someone that's been making lots and lots of money. But yeah, look at these people, 99% down in the last 30 days. The idea is to not follow the people that make these terrible returns. Follow the people that make way more money than that, okay? And what you need to do is look at their graph, look how good they've been doing in the past 30 days, and then follow their charts. Now, these people, they trade themselves too, but they put themselves out as copy traders, and you have the ability to go and copy them, and whatever they do, your account will automatically do it. So it'll do it when you're sleeping, it'll do it when you're staring at the screen. You can like let it go, look at it, and then come back 30 days later and see how much money that you made. I wouldn't recommend doing it. I would recommend checking it about, once a day. Something like that. Not too much. Once a day, maybe every other day, to see if you need to do an emergency pull out or something like that. Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to pause the video for 1 second to tell you about my new course, Crypto Confident, okay? Where I make about 300% every 90 days. Now, is this guaranteed to happen? I'm not necessarily a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is very, very likely to happen. And I'm going to show you the exact way to do this step by step. I have 5 hours worth of video where I go through the entire process, and you don't even have to watch the whole 5 hours, okay? But I quickly show you how you could make as much money as me. And I also show you how you can avoid scams like Sam Bankman-Fried. Look at the website right here. It's very elegant, very quick, very easy to understand. And I show you step by step how to not lose your money. I show you when to buy and exactly when to sell, okay? And it's very, very easy throughout the entire process. You need to get into this as quickly as possible. It's 2025 now. You have a very limited amount of time to make all this money. So just go to bitcoinbenito.com right now, bitcoinbenito.com right now. Put in your email so you can get as rich as me, okay? Let's get this money. But if you follow the people properly, if you follow the people the way I teach you how to follow it, you won't have to worry about that, okay? So the 𝐕𝑡unics has this ability to automatically follow what they do immediately without even have to lift a single finger. You can make money while you sleep. That's how the rich people make money, okay? And so this is how you make money while you make money. So how do you get into this? Well, first of all, you need to sign up for a 𝐕𝑡unics account. When you sign up for a 𝐕𝑡unics, it's called 𝐕𝑡unics.com, okay? BITUNIX.com. When you sign up for an account, it's going to ask you for It may ask you for your name, although it's not necessary KYC, but depending on where you live, I live in the United States, so it may ask you for your name. It may ask you to take a selfie. It may ask you to do ID. This is just basic stuff that you have to do. Same thing that you had to do for Coinbase. Same thing that you had to do for Cash App. Same thing that you have to do for Venmo. Same exact thing like this with 𝐿𝑰𝐻𝐺𝐿. But okay, so after you get your account like that, I want you to then go to Coinbase, sign up for a Coinbase account or sign up for a Binance account, buy some Tether USDT, which is a stable coin that's directly pegged to the dollar. Buy some of that, and then I want you to go to your wallet. So then you go to 𝐿𝑰𝐻𝐺𝐿, you go to your wallet, you click the wallet up here, and then you click spot account, okay? So you click spot account, and then you search for USDT, right? So you've already bought USDT on your Coinbase or on Binance or even on your MetaMask, right? Different ways. And then you click deposit, okay? So you go to your MetaMask or you go to your Binance token or whatever where you bought, like let's say $1,050 of USDT. You go there, you find your wallet address, your Ethereum wallet address where you put the USDT in, and then you either copy and paste it, aka you email it to yourself, and then you copy and paste it here, and then you click on deposit, and then you deposit like that, okay? So you select the coin USDT, you select the network, right? The network that we're going to select is ERC20, right? ERC20, which is Ethereum network. And what you can do is actually, if you have a Coinbase account on your phone, you can pick up your phone. On your phone, you go to withdrawal. You type in how much you want to withdraw from your Coinbase account. You click next, and then you hold up the camera to this what do you call this thing again? This QR code. My brain is all frazzled with the crypto going on. You hold it up to this QR code, you hit send, and it's going to come into your 𝐿𝑰𝐻𝐺𝐿 account within less than 5 minutes. Most of the time, it happens within like 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it's actually very quick. And then once it's into your account, you can then see all the money that goes into your account, all the USDT that you took out of your Coinbase and you put it into 𝐿𝑰𝐻𝐺𝐿. After that, you go to the top of copy trading. By the way, you can do all of this on your phone, okay? So even if you're not home, you can do all of this on your phone. You then click on copy trading, and then I want you to click on 30 days, okay? Click 30 days, and then click ROI, the return on your investment, because you don't want to do P&L because some of these accounts, they have tons and tons of money. Some of them made, like this guy, he made $5,000 in the last month. But what if he's a broke trader that does really, really well, right? You can put tons and tons of money on this and make even more money than 𝐻𝐺 Trader, okay? So the best way to see who does the best is to click ROI to see the percentage that they've made in the past 30 days, okay? So you do that, and then you want to look at the graphs. So what you want to do is you want to look at graphs that have done well in the last few days. You want to look at graphs that go like this, all right? That go in a line like this. Not necessarily the ones that go sideways for a long time and then shoots up, because maybe they just had a really good luck recently. You want to look at the ones that have a slow scope, okay? So a good example of this would be Trader RM. Another example of this would be kind of 𝐿𝑰𝐻𝐺 a little bit. You see the way the graph is a little bit. It's kind of good recently, but it's been stable recently. Another good example would be this one, Buffy. Buffy has been up 88% in the past 30 days. Another one maybe Dr. MZ, although it seems like he shoots up and then stable, shoots up and then stable. Maybe you only have good profits after a while. Oh, here's a really good one. Austin is another good one. He's been up 77% in the past, that's about 14 days now. So that's pretty good, right? So let's go to the first page, and what was it? Trader RM. So Trader RM is the best one that's been doing this good right now. Actually, it says I already copied. So let's look at another guy. Let's look at Austin. So Austin has been doing pretty good in the past 14 days. And so we click copy now. I entered the amount, although I've used all my money, so you can't do this properly. I entered the amount that I want to copy. So I do like $10 or something like that, or that's not sufficient. I have to, I don't have enough money, but it's okay. I entered $10. I do a stop loss. So this says that what is the amount, how bad can their account go before you pull all your money out? Now, because we're going to be copying people that have a good account for the past 30 days, or even you can even look at the past 90 days, because they have a good reputation, the odds of them doing terrible is very, very low. Okay. So what happens is that their account may do bad for like maybe the past week, like crypto has been doing bad for the past month or so. So it may do bad for about a week or two. And then it may crash by like 50%, 60%. You don't want to lose your money just because it crashes by 50 or 60%, because it may crash 50, 60%, but it may shoot up again 100, 200, 300%. So what I do is I set the stop loss to about 90, between 90 to 95. Now you're going to be like, oh my God, that means I'm going to lose 90% of my money? If I set my stop loss to 90%, that means that if I hit 89%, that means I lost 89% of my money. Because we're following good traders, you don't have to worry about that, okay? The worst case scenario that will happen is that will go down by like maybe 30% or so. So you go down to, let's do 90% just to be safe. Then you go to advanced if you want to see that. Okay, so the margin mode, exactly the same as a trader. You want to see when they take out and they put in and how much money they do. A lot of them do a margin of about between 2x to 8x. So they're good. The good ones are good, but they're not crazy good. Okay, you want to do the leverage the same, the margin the same, the risk management the same. This one you can just leave blank, percentage of maximum amount held by single position. Just leave it blank. It doesn't matter. Slippage, you don't really need to worry about that. So here's the thing. They make their own money because every time that you put money into your account and you copy them, they make 10% of whatever the profits that you make. Okay, so that's why they're incentivized to do this. Okay, so anyways, the slippage rate, slippage is not really that big of a deal. You might lose about an additional 1%, 0.5%, but that's fine. You want your trades to happen quickly. And then you click, I have read all the agreement, and then you click copy, and then it goes through. So what we can do is to look at my account and see how well I'm doing. Go to my copies to see what I've copied. And right now, I put in $1,050 and I have made $1,252 right now. Okay. So the thing is that, I've made $250 right now. So if I pull the money out, I would literally have an extra $252 $202, I should say. I would have an extra $202 right now. Okay. The total copy balance, right? The unrealized and the realized gain is actually $1,562, right? And I've made a realized gain of $583, but I have made an unrealized gain of negative $310. Okay, so that's a bad trade that's happened. Who's doing that pretty? This is Juing Tang has made an unrealized loss of $237, but he's a pretty good guy. He's been doing pretty well for the last couple of days and weeks, so he's definitely going to go back up. This negative 237 is not going to stay that way for a long time, especially when after these tariff nonsense happens for the next week or two, he's definitely going to go back up. Okay, so I realized a profit of $205, but I lost $237. Unrealized though, so it's not even real. I've made $200 here with Bull BTC, and I've made an unrealized, so it's not even real yet, of his loss of 73. And then with Trader RM, a really, really good guy that you should probably follow, he hasn't lost any money at all. Okay, and in fact, if we look at the details of Trader RM, he look at all his position history, see what he's done in the past. My copy order history, this is what my account has done. This is what I've copied. He's done a bunch of copies, right? So he did this. I've copied this because I put about $500 in it. I've made a profit of $2.50, $2.30, $3.19, and this has happened all today. Okay, so he gets into it and everything goes good. Okay. This is when I pulled some out a couple days ago. Don't worry about that. I just pulled it out to test to see if it works. Transfer history, I transferred money into it. I put in $150, and I saw how well it did, and then I put in another $250 for a total of $400 just with Trader RM. So we go to my copy, see how I do. I'm gonna wait until this gets better, and then I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, so I copied him on February 12th. What I recommend that you do is that every month you pull out the money that you made. You then go back and look at all the traders, right? See which one has been doing the best and has had that same slow positive slope, and then put the money in. And then you also want to diversify. So I diversified across 3 different people because you're not really 100% sure how well each person is going to do. But as you can see, my profits have been doing really well. I made $162 with this person, $192 with this person, $192 with this person. Okay. So everything is good. Everything is hunky-dory. Everything has been going really well. Okay, let's look at number one. Yeah. So if I had a great copy, look at this. I would have made 297% based on this person with a good, slow growing chart. Okay. So I'm telling you this because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.